CCNA in the Cloud. Networking Skills for the Digital Era. The CCNA in the Cloud program addresses this demand by providing a specialized curriculum that equips individuals with the knowledge and skills required to navigate the intricacies of networking in a cloud-centric environment. CCNA in the Cloud program emerges as a catalyst for empowering individuals to become adept at managing and optimizing networks within this dynamic context. Fundamentals of CCNA in the Cloud. The exploration of the fundamentals of CCNA in the cloud serves as a pivotal starting point for individuals seeking to bridge the gap between traditional networking expertise and the dynamic realm of cloud computing. Cloud Computing Essentials. Cloud Computing Essentials encapsulates a comprehensive exploration of the fundamental principles that underpin the transformative landscape of cloud computing. Network Security in the Cloud. Network security in the cloud emerges as a critical focal point in the evolving landscape of digital infrastructure, where the integration of robust security measures is paramount. Managing Cloud Resources with CCNA. Managing cloud resources with CCNA constitutes a pivotal segment in the journey of professionals seeking to harness the full potential of both traditional networking and cloud computing. Conclusion. In conclusion, CCNA in the Cloud. Networking Skills for the Digital Era represents a comprehensive and forward-thinking approach to preparing professionals for the complex demands of modern IT landscapes. CCNA in the Cloud not only bridges the gap between traditional networking and cloud technologies but also positions individuals at the forefront of technological innovation.